Hi and welcome back, and in this video what I'm going to do is show you where to find your web hosting control panel. So what I'll do, I'll leave you a link in the description so you can find this page in the learning area, and if you scroll down you'll find login links. Now if you've got a real website with me, then you would obviously use the real website control panel. But if you're still using like the site builder and you're wanting to look to see what the control panel would look like on a real website setup, then you can have a look at the demo control panel. So if we click on that, this then takes you into the control panel, and as you can see your domains, emails, files, database. Also down the left hand side you'll be able to see what plan you've picked for your real website, and you can scroll down there and see that. And also in some control panels as well, the email accounts aren't in the actual control panel. So basically you may have to log into another control panel to find all your emails and everything you need. But as you can see within this control panel, you've got your domains, your email, you can set your mailboxes up and how many emails you want. You've got your files, database, installers, web tools, statistics, and then advanced settings as well. So under domain you've got hosted, registered, parked, you've got your DNS records as well. On email, like I say, you can set your mailboxes up, there's filters. You can also forward your email, so you can set an email up in here and then forward it to your main email accounts. We've also got files, so you've got your file management, your FTP accounts, and then your remote backups as well. Databases, MySQL, installers, so if you're not using the site builder, you can install a website within the account. I'll show that on another video. If you're using WordPress, then you can obviously click on this link here, and that will actually open the pages up for different applications you can install. Web tools, like I say, if you're using the site builder, you would find it under here. Statistics, you've got your server information, all that information there. And then advanced, like I say, as you can see, if you want to set password protection pages, IP blocking, and then like I say, all you would do is click on any of these and that would open them up there. Also we've got keeping things in their place. You've got your management of your domains, you've also got your management of your site and database, and then all your advanced settings here. And then in the real control panel you would have all your accounts, and what you've paid for your hosting would come here, and then there would also be a live link to the statistics of all the traffic that's then coming to your website. So anyway, that's a quick look at the web hosting control panel, and if you're new here and you've not subscribed to the YouTube channel, then please do that. Now I'll be able to keep you updated on all the other videos that I'm uploading. And yeah, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.